Rupp Stephen with J.P. Weigand is proud to offer for sale this remarkable country estate near Wichita, Kansas. This is a great opportunity to purchase a 5-bedroom, 7-bath home built in 2016 on 4.61 acres of land. The finishing touches throughout this 4,842 square foot home are a must-see. The main floor includes an open floor plan with a large living room and kitchen featuring wood beams as well as a dining area. This state-of-the-art kitchen has granite countertops, a large island that includes the main sink and eat-in kitchen space with seating for 4, a gas stove with artistic tile backsplash and unique rustic hood fan, built-in double ovens, and walk-in pantry. Added features in this welcoming open space are a gas fireplace with stone facade, an elegant mantel and built-in bookshelves with added storage, high ceilings, and beautiful large windows to view the outside. The main floor also includes the master suite as well as 2 additional bedrooms with their own bathrooms. The master suite boasts views of the backyard and access to the back deck. A large master bathroom with 2 sinks, jacuzzi tub, walk-in shower, additional vanity, lots of storage, and attached walk-in closet. In addition, the large laundry room with utility sink is on the main level for easy access. Descending down the elegant stairwell to the basement, you enter the open living room area featuring another fireplace, a full bar with sink and island, and a rec room currently housing a pool table. There are 2 more bedrooms, each with their own bathrooms and another half bath for guests. For your outdoor entertainment, you have access from both the main floor deck and basement patio that lead to a beautiful saltwater pool area, yard, and open green space. There's also an additional detached, oversized garage for all your outdoor toys and a basketball goal in the expansive driveway. For more information or to schedule a private showing, contact Jake Stephen or John Rupp.